Hey, what's up YouTube? Steven here, and today we're back with another unboxing video, which I haven't done in a very long time. Today I'm going to be unboxing my new Galaxy S24 Plus in Cobalt Violet. So I'm going to just quickly get the knife so that we can open this back here. Actually, it looks like these are just pull tabs. So we can, yep, just pull that open right like that. Oop, missed a little bit. And now this lid can just slide off. Oh, looks like we had some like bits of information, or maybe it's just a empty box. We'll open that in a bit. And then here we have the actual S24 Plus. And I guess I'll just peel this off. Nice peel. Yeah, I probably don't want to show that sticker. I'll probably have to blur that out. But yeah, that's the phone. Well, let's see what's in this packaging, if there's anything. Or is it just a filler box? Oh! I was not expecting a charging cable. Looks like it came with a USB-C to USB-C cable. That's probably for transferring stuff from your old phone to your new phone. Unfortunately, my phone died, so won't be getting anything off of it. And we got a quick start guide, terms and conditions. Not going to worry about any of that. More terms and conditions. Spanish. Don't know how to read Spanish. And doesn't look like there's anything else in there. I thought maybe there'd be like a key for the SIM card slot, but I'm guessing there isn't one on this phone. Oh, there it is on the back of that. And don't know if you can see that. The camera doesn't have autofocus, so that's for opening the SIM card slot. It's on the back of. I pulled this out of here. Okay, well, that's going to be it for this video today. Hope you all enjoyed. Be sure to click that like button if you did, and subscribe if you'd like to see more videos, although I'm not really sure how much videos I'm going to be posting since it's been quite a while. Have a great day.